How do you master your skill?
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay away.
Hi, so I woke up this morning, come out to do the darks as I always do in my lovely snood, and guess what I saw? I'm so upset, like, I think the fox knocks it over, as it was up there, like this one, look. Now I'm gonna have to pick this all up before work. I'm just so upset, I'm just really so upset, like, they were so beautiful and had so many flowers and stuff on. Now I'm worried that this one's going to fall down as well. Oh, his lordship was saying just the other day that he'd be surprised if they didn't fall down. So naturally I'm going to blame him. I'm gutted. I'm just so upset. So he said that he'll come home tonight and figure out something to get them to stay up, and I don't know. It's really upsetting when this sort of stuff. So it's back up now. Lots of the leaves are damaged, and I mean it looks like it's been pulled through a hedge backwards, but at least it's up, and they're not all higgledy-piggledy on the floor or anything. I mean, I lost this one, so I've replaced it, but you know, it looks worse than it is. Should I water it in and see what happens? Well, we live and we learn. You can't get this stuff get you down. It's just a little setback. Stuff like this happens all the time. It's like, so yeah, I've learned something from this. Probably going to think of a good idea to keep them up. Yeah, just don't let little setbacks get you down. It's just normal for that. It's normal for little things to happen that are just a bit rubbish, but by tonight we'll think of a way of not having this happen. All right, chins up, see you later.